Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm cooking Burmese Veg Khao Swe. This dish is a family favorite. It consists of a coconut soup packed with flavors that is served with boiled noodles and a variety of toppings. It's an easy recipe that you'll be able to make perfectly yourself. You want tried and tested recipes? Then this is the right channel. Do subscribe. Let's begin with the aromatic paste. For that, we are going to use some lemongrass. Remove the stiff outer layers, we just need the soft inner part. Chop it up. Take a mixer jar and add in the lemongrass bits, followed by some coriander stalk or stem, few cloves of garlic, 2 to 3, an inch of ginger, 1 to 2 green chilies, I have removed the seeds, 2-3 shallots or 1 small red onion will do, a teaspoon of coriander powder, dhania, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, jeera, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi. Add in a bit of salt and about 1/3 cup of water. Grind it to a fine paste. Heat 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or sesame seed oil and temper it with a large pinch of cumin seeds or jeera, a bay leaf and a dry red chili. Add in the prepared paste. Lower the heat and cook for a couple of minutes. Once the oil starts to float on top, wash the mixer jar with a bit of water and pour it in. Cook down the water. Add in some curry leaves. Cook for a minute and then add in besan or gram flour, 2 teaspoons of it and a half. Keep the heat on low and cook this for a few minutes. So once it all starts to gather together, that means that it is ready for the next step. Add in 1.5 cups of water. Mix well so that there are no lumps in it. You could also use a whisk. That makes it easier. Get rid of the lumps and bring it to the boil. Season it with salt, a bit of light soy sauce, time to add in the vegetables. I'm just adding whatever I had in the fridge. Some carrots, say about half a cup of it, and some beans, again 1/3 to half cup. Bring this to a boil. Keep the heat on low, cover and cook for a minute. That smells so good. Let's add in some chopped baby corns. Make sure to chop the vegetables roughly the same size. I'll also add in a bit more of water, 1.5 cups. Let that boil. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. This is optional. Followed by the boiled peas, a handful of them. Cook for another minute. You could add powdered jaggery in place of sugar, but a hint of sweetness is all that it needs. Time to add in the coconut milk. Keep the heat low and add in the coconut milk. This is about 1.5 cups. Give it a mix and let it come to the boil on low heat. If you like this recipe, share it with your friends, and when you try it, do let me know. I'll just check the seasoning once again. That's perfect. It has come to a boil and I'll just turn off the heat. The soup is done. For the toppings, I fried some boiled noodles till they turned crispy and golden in color. I also fried some chopped garlic till they turned golden and crispy, and some sliced red onion till the onions turn golden brown in color. These are the toppings for the khao swe: fried boiled noodles, fried onion, fried garlic, some coriander greens, lemon wedges, spring onions, and chopped roasted peanuts. I'm trying to get a nest of noodles right at the center of the bowl. Time for the soup. Garnish it with the fried onion, some of the fried garlic, the peanut, the spring onions, and the fried noodles, some coriander, sprinkle some chili flakes on top. Serve the khao swe hot with a squeeze of lime and enjoy!